I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Hyundai Elantra headlight. First, ensure your car is off and the hood is open. You'll need a 10 mm socket wrench, a flathead screwdriver, and your new headlight assembly. Safety first, so make sure the engine is cool before you begin. This simple repair can save you money and improve your nighttime visibility significantly. Having the right tools ready makes the process much smoother. Now that you're prepared, it's time to remove the old headlight. Use your 10 mm socket wrench to loosen and remove the 3 bolts holding the assembly in place. Once those are out, carefully reach behind the headlight and disconnect the electrical connector. It usually has a small tab you press. Then, gently pull the entire headlight assembly straight out. Avoid forcing it to prevent damage to surrounding components. With the old headlight removed, let's install the new one. First, connect the electrical harness to the back of your new headlight assembly, ensuring it clicks firmly into place. Then, carefully slide the new headlight into its housing, aligning it with the mounting points. Finally, reinsert and tighten the 3 10 mm bolts you removed earlier. Make sure it's snug but don't over-tighten. After installation, it's crucial to test your new headlight. Turn on your vehicle and check both the low and high beams to ensure they are working correctly. Also, double-check all connections to confirm everything is secure and there are no loose wires. This ensures optimal performance and safety. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Proper alignment might be needed for best visibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.